Homestead Website Builder Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Homestead Website Builder is a long-standing platform designed primarily for small business owners and individuals seeking an easy-to-use tool to establish a professional online presence. Its standout feature is simplicity, offering a drag-and-drop editor that requires no coding skills, making it ideal for beginners. Homestead provides customizable templates across various industries, along with built-in SEO tools, integrated analytics, and e-commerce functionality for selling products or services. One of its unique strengths is its web hosting, domain registration, and email hosting bundled into a single package, streamlining the process for users who prefer an all-in-one solution. Additionally, Homestead offers dedicated customer support through phone and live chat, ensuring assistance is readily available. However, the platform is not without its weaknesses. While functional, its templates are dated compared to modern competitors like Wix or Squarespace, which provide sleeker, more contemporary designs. Advanced customization options are limited, potentially frustrating users with specific aesthetic or functional needs. Homestead also operates on a subscription-based pricing model that, while affordable for basic plans, can become costly for users requiring more advanced features or bandwidth. Overall, Homestead is best suited for small businesses and individuals prioritizing ease of use over cutting-edge design or advanced functionality. If you're looking for a simple, dependable platform to get a site online quickly without diving into the technical complexities, Homestead is a solid choice. However, if visual appeal, modern features, or advanced customization are critical, you may want to explore alternatives. This review highlights Homestead's balance of features and usability, ensuring you can make an informed decision based on your website building needs.